ancient Indian texts, Upanishads, Stotram और इवन मंत्रास, किसी भी एक चीज़ को पकड़ो, उसका इन डेप्थ मीनिंग समझो और उससे फेथफुल रहो, rather than hopping from one text to another and wanting to know it all. Just spend more and more time, faith, energy in one text. Or in my case, I'm going to share the inner essence of Kal Bhairav Ashtakam. Verse 7. अट्टहास भिन्न पद्म जांड कोश संततिम दृष्टिपात नष्ट पाप जाल मुक्र शासनम अष्ट सिद्धिदायकम कपाल मालिकाधरम काशिकापुरादिनाथ काल भैरवम भजे काशिकापुरादिनाथ काल भैरवम भजे. What does this mean? It means salutations to Lord Kal Bhairavam, the supreme Lord of Kashi. Here Kashi is not just a geographical and physical location. Kashi means the realm of justice, whose loud roar, the loud roar of Kal Bhairav destroys sheets of creation, means it destroys the delusion that we carry. Every make-believe we live by, every delusion we create to survive, the coping mechanisms, he destroys it. His loud roar destroys the sheets of creation of lotus-born Brahma, whose very glance is enough to destroy all our sins. One jhalak, ek glance, apne sab paap destroy kar deta hai. Matlab, understand the energy. Who gives us 8 siddhis and who wears a garland of skulls. 8 सिद्धि. यहाँ पे I want to say one thing. सिद्धि के लायक वही है जो सिद्धि प्राप्त करना नहीं चाहता है. All you need to do is surrender. Surrender to Bhairav, surrender to Ma, surrender to Kali, and they will know what to give you. Be the child. और intention surrender का रखो. Intention प्राप्ति का मत रखो. Let them decide, and what you will be given then, there's no better boon and gift than that, right? Await for verse 8, which is the last verse of Kal Bhairav Ashtakam, but I'm going to leave you with a question here. There is this line, it ends with who wears a garland of skulls. I want you to write in the comment, why does Ma Kali and Kal Bhairav wear garland of skulls?